When it's too hot to turn on the oven, but you still want a really tasty dessert, this is one of my go-to recipes. We're making a delicious lemon cream. It has such a bright, lovely flavor and creamy texture that I think you're going to love it. Start by pouring 250 milliliters or 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream into a chilled bowl and whip it until you get stiff peaks. Having chilled cream and the bowl helps the cream whip up beautifully and keeps it fluffy and smooth until you need to use it. Once you reach stiff peaks, set the bowl aside, preferably in the fridge. In a separate clean bowl, add 250 grams or 1 cup of mascarpone, 120 grams or 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 60 milliliters or 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix this until it's completely smooth and no lumps are present. Switch from the mixer to a spatula. We're going to gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. The key here is to be gentle so you don't lose all that lovely air we whipped in. Just fold until everything is combined. Place your cream into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. Snip off the end or the corner of the bag and pipe your cream into your serving glasses. Decorate it with some lemon rind and place them in the fridge. They need at least 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. This step is what really sets the cream and gives the flavors time to melt together into something truly delicious. Alright, let's give it a taste. The texture is super light and creamy, almost like a cloud. And the lemon flavor is bright and refreshing. It's sweet but not heavy at all, which I think makes it the perfect dessert for a warm day. If you give it a try, I would love to hear what you think in the comments. For more simple recipes, I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!